Alright, welcome back fellas to another trade recap video. We did take a trade today. It was an L, but we'll get into that. Let's just kind of start with our analysis from top down. Alright, so here on the weekly time frame we're bullish. On the daily time frame we're bearish. On the 4-hour time frame we flipped bullish, but on the hourly time frame we were bearish, right? Yeah, you can see right here we're bearish. We broke structure with the 6 o'clock candle here. So we can kind of get into the trade that we took and why we took this trade here. So here's Asian session here. So you can see we did leave a fair value gap here. It was an hourly fair value gap here. That's what we left behind there. So we marked that out. Then I marked out. Okay, so let me break this down. I was bearish today just because the daily and the 1-hour time frame and even the 30-minute time frame were bearish. So I was bearish. My bias was bearish today. So I drew out the equilibrium lines from this high to these lows here, right here. Then we had this fair value gap get formed there with the 6 o'clock open candle. All right. So we marked out the fair value gap, marked out the equilibrium. Then from there, all we did was, so we could see that we took out these Asian lows or London lows here. Then you can see that we're starting to come back up to these London highs now. So we completely disrespected London lows. We left the fair value gap. Then I was just kind of waiting for a retrace into this area with our 50% mark here. So as soon as we got a retrace into here, all I was waiting for was a fair value gap to get formed because we filled in this fair value gap here. We were in our 50% price range. I was just waiting for a break of structure now. We did get the break of structure right here. Broke below these lows here. We broke structure to the downside on the 1-minute time frame. I entered. I had our stop loss above these highs, and then we ended up getting stopped out. So you know, it happens. It's our first loss this week, but gonna keep rolling, man. Gotta keep after it. We can kind of look after news for this upcoming week. So Tuesday we're good. Wednesday we're good. Thursday we should be good. We're gonna wait until after 6:30 though, so probably around 7:30 we'll try to find a trade. 7:30 we'll try to find a trade, and then Friday we're gonna have to wait till after 8 o'clock, and then we should be good to roll. But yeah, man, that's all the news that we got for this week. Kind of sucks that we took an L, but you know what? Can always take a W. So we're gonna learn from this mistake. Honestly, bro, I don't know what I should have done here. I probably should have waited for a little bit more of confirmation, probably on the 5-minute time frame here. But the reason I took this trade just off of a 1-minute break of structure was because at this current moment in time, we were still bearish on the 15-minute here. It wasn't until we broke above with this candle here that we broke structure to the upside. So I was bearish, but like even you could see there was a 15-minute fair value gap here, a bullish fair value gap, another 15-minute bullish fair value gap there. So, yeah, man, it's an L, and you know it always sucks to take L's, but it's something you got to learn from, man. And we're just gonna keep rolling with the punches, keep going with it, and we'll be back again tomorrow. Hope you fellas enjoyed this video. I know it was a short one, but gotta get after it. Y'all have a great day.